This works for everyone in the globe, and it's one of the simplest methods to earn money online because it doesn't involve any selling, affiliate marketing, or social media followers, and it doesn't require any prior expertise. You only need to copy and paste some time text. So let's start right here so I can teach you how to utilize Google to be paid over and over again. So all of this will take less than 30 minutes. And if PayPal isn't accessible in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, I'll teach you how to choose other payment methods. If you don't want to use PayPal, you may use other payment methods such as bank transfers, Payoneer, and so on. Anyway, let's start with step 1, which is to go to google.com. The second step is to conduct a search for Google News. When you search for Google News, I want you to go to the first official website, which is newsgoogle.com. This is where you can get the most recent news and articles on a variety of topics from around the world. It's similar to a newspaper in that which you can find anything on it. You can find news about politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and everything else you can think of are covered on this webpage. So how are you going to make money with this? How will you get your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how this works. So on the left-hand side, you have all of the categories where you may get international news. This is about what is now going on in the globe. We won't go into detail about your local news because everyone has their own. Simply said, you want to concentrate solely on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You can see, for example, that if I choose the health category, I'll get all of the most recent news and articles relating to health. So let's scroll over this page and see what we can find. So I'm interested in this article that was just recently published, and it's a really fantastic piece that a lot of people would want to read. So all you have to do now is open one article. Don't worry, you won't be required to write articles and you won't be required to sell anything. This has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other type of marketing. Simply open that article and begin copying content from it. For example, I'll copy this and move on to step 3, or we'll go to spinbot.com, which is the third website that we'll be using. You'll need to paste the content from Google News into this box. Spinbot will write the article for you, allowing you to have the entire article written in your own words, making it entirely unique, which we will be using on the 3 other websites which I'll share with you. Those websites will compensate you for that content. Some of them will pay you $1 each word that you post. As you can see, such articles can have thousands of words and the math is simple. Anyway, after you've located the article, simply copy and paste the text into this box. Then scroll down a little, select I'm not a robot, and then click Go. That's going to completely rewrite the content for you. As you can see, the context is nearly same, yet the words are different, and use the next 3 websites to be paid for it. Eddingwell.com will be the first website that we will use. As a result, you may publish your own articles to Eddingwell.com. You may write articles to this website and be compensated for your efforts. Rather than spending days producing such articles, you can now utilize Google News and Spinbot to generate original and high-quality articles for which you will be paid up to $1 per word. So here is the first of 3 websites I have for you. So you may get paid up to $1 per word just per copy-pasting on this website, which means if you obtain an article with 1,000 words, you might get paid $1,000 simply for copy and pasting. Now, how do you actually submit your article so you can get paid here on this page? You will just need to scroll a little bit down below until you can find this section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address. Go to your email and just email them with the subject line telling submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you created. Once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. You will tell them if you want to get paid through PayPal. You will tell them your PayPal and your email address. If you want to get paid through bank transfer, just leave your bank details. Same goes to the other payment methods. Your options are endless because there are new articles in Google News that are coming in every couple of hours. So you can use those articles, rewrite them with Spinbot, paste them in a Word document, or save it in your computer and submit it to these websites. That's all I have to say about this video. I hope you found it useful, and that's it for this video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.